Another really common question we get in regards to long crack repair is, does the GlasWeld injector, in particular the Zoom injector and the EcoVac injector, allow you to do long crack repairs? And absolutely, the injectors are designed specifically with that goal in mind of being able to do long crack repairs. So one of the things that you'll find that you would need is to have a few additional accessories and tools in order to effectively do long crack repairs. And the primary tool you would need is this corner edge and long crack extension tool, which integrates right into your tripod stand and would allow you to not only reach the edges of the glass but also to slide along a long crack when it's integrated into the tripod stand. You'll see us using that in our training videos. Besides that, you would also want to have a crack expander. The crack expander, what it does is pressures the leg of the crack from the inside, allowing it to stay open so that the resin can more readily flow into the long crack. And besides that, you would definitely want to have some crack resins specifically designed to deal with the surface nature of a long crack, giving you that flexibility and the proper adhesion to get a long-lasting long crack. And there are three available. The GlasWeld 2000, which is great for very dramatic temperature swing and type environments, areas of the world that might be really hot in the summer and extremely cold in the winter, or might be really hot during the day and extremely cold at night. The GlasWeld 2000 would be the right choice there. GlasWeld 1000, which is for slightly more moderate climates, and then also the 2010 gray, which is great for short, small, long cracks in a more moderate climate as well.